I'm here in Homebaked Delights in Bangor, which is a shop I really love. Can you tell me a little bit about the history of Homebaked Delights?
We opened our shop last year, March, 3rd of March.
And it's in a brilliant location, isn't it? Because it's great for people popping into Bangor. You're here on Carnarvon Road.
Yeah.
So what do you sell?
Well, we try to be different with other bakeries around. So I do take orders as well, like sort of special order cakes, like birthday cakes and stuff.
Oh, okay. I've got to say, I love the cakes here. The cronuts in particular are my favourite, and they're amazing. So we're trying to encourage people to shop locally this Christmas. Have you got any special Christmas things?
Yes, we do actually. We have the traditional mince pies. We also have these Eccles mince pies, and I started baking cheesecake as well. So they call it Basque cheesecake. I got one today. It's a different flavor. It's a matcha flavor. So
wow, and
yeah.
matcha tea.
Yes, that's the one. Yeah.
Wow, that just shows how different and unique these cakes
Yes.
are. They're really, really special cakes. So I want to say, best of luck with the business and have a lovely Christmas and a busy Christmas.
Thank you very much.